Hey, what's up? This is Scott Tolinsky with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you something really quick about your new Drupal site that you just installed. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure clean URLs are enabled. If you don't have clean URLs enabled, basically in your URL here, it's going to have like a question mark q equals, and it's basically not good for things like SEO or just, it doesn't have your URLs looking nice and clean. So if we go to configuration and then we go to clean URLs under search and metadata, click this, and you'll notice that if your Drupal site was set up correctly, clean URLs will already be enabled. If this is not enabled and you run the configuration test and it says you failed, chances are you don't have that htaccess file that exists in your site. So if we go to transmit here, click here, let's go back to my site, you'll see this htaccess file, and you won't see that in Finder. I did mention this in the previous video, but I know some people have some problems with that, and I just wanted to make that clear that if you are having this clean URLs that won't enable, make sure that you grab that .htaccess file. Okay, well that's clean URLs and how to enable them if you are having problems with that. In the next tutorials, we're going to be going over all sorts of stuff, anywhere from adding content to your site to theming to individual module profiles, all sorts of stuff. It's going to be awesome. So if you like this video and you want to keep watching, subscribe. Hit us up on Twitter at leveluptuts.com. As always, thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye.